I spent $1,300 on the most expensive, most luxurious Faber-Castell wooden box sets. I'm going to tell you straight up whether they are actually worth it. Stick around till the end because the last reveal is something only 1,761 people on Earth owns it. Let's begin. First up, the most compact set of the bunch, the Art and Graphic Collection. It has 125 pieces in one wooden case. The moment this thing opens, the smell of wood hits you immediately. And I'm not kidding. It genuinely makes you want to pick up something and draw. The way it's staged is almost architectural. The monochrome shelf that contains selection of graphite and charcoal tools sits perfectly above 36 watercolor pencils. On the side, you have hidden drawers. Each one holds a different medium. One holds 36 Polychromos color pencils, and the other has another 36 pastel pencils. Every major Faber-Castell medium in one box. As for the performance, I mean, come on, it's Faber-Castell. You get what you paid for. The only real limitation in this set is the color range. 36 of each medium means you're working with a very limited palette, not the full spectrum. But here's the thing, this was the first set I've ever owned, and the first set I unboxed on this channel because of how unique it is. For $270, it's genuinely one-stop shop, and the best entry point into the Faber-Castell world. Now let's go bigger and unboxing both the Polychromos 120 color pencils and the 120 watercolor pencils together. And here's what you need to know because a lot of people confuse those two. Polychromos are oil-based color pencils. That means it's water-resistant, smudge-proof, and gives you great flexibility when layering, not like the traditional color pencils. On the other hand, the watercolor pencils, you draw with it dry, hit it with a wet brush, and it transforms into a full watercolor paint on paper. Both has the same 3.8mm thick lead, but both have completely different superpowers. Both sets open to two full shelves of color, 120 pencils staged in gradient order. And yes, the woody smell is there too. These sets are for someone who knows their medium, doesn't want to be limited in color choices, and wants the full professional range. Each set is around $350, and yes, you are paying premium for the box. So if you don't care about the presentation, the 10 sets are cheaper. But if you are building a studio, displaying your tools, and treating your creative space seriously, this is the right call. Speaking of building a studio, currently I'm working on designing a unique multi-purpose cabinet, so these sets have a permanent home. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. It helps me more than you think. Like and comment below which set you would get. Seriously, even one comment helps the almighty algorithms to like my channel. Now, we switch mediums completely. With the same wooden box, we get the Pitt Artist Pen wooden case. Inside, you get 90 pens on 2 elegant layers. The bottom shelf has 60 brush tip pens. Flexible, firm, perfect line control. The top shelf is where it gets interesting. You get 6 metallic pens with 1.5mm bullet nib, calligraphy nibs, and fine liners. This set comes around $350. That's less than $4 per pen for permanent, waterproof, light-fast India ink that doesn't bleed through paper. The set is perfect for architects, fashion designers, illustrators, anyone who works in lines and wants a precision and permanency. But if you want to treat it like alcohol markers and cover large areas, these will streak and won't blend. These are for sketching, outlines, details, not filling. My personal advice is, know what you need before you buy. And now, the final reveal. I was in the hunt for this set for too long and I finally got it. There is a set from Faber-Castell only 1,761 people on Earth owns. Each one is serialized, each one is physically unique because of the wood grain, and I'm one of those lucky people. I'm not opening it today. It gets its own video because it deserves it. But I will tell you this, it contains nearly 400 pieces across every premium Faber-Castell line they make. So, subscribe so you don't miss it, like if these sets made your jaw drop even slightly. And until then, be creative, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.